Good morning. Happy solstice. I've been talking a lot about doing a video on Gua Sha, and many of you have mentioned that you don't know what that is. I do it in the office quite frequently on neck tension, back tension. Oftentimes, if there's issues with tennis elbow or carpal tunnel, I'll do it there and teach you how to do it. So today what I want to do is teach you a little bit about Gua Sha for your face. So first I'd like to talk about something called Yang Sheng. This is a tradition in Chinese medicine that focuses on nourishing life. So Gua Sha is a component of that. So I would say nourishing life, meaning self-care, but in a way that you're caring for yourself daily. The things that you do to keep yourself healthy. You brush your teeth, you floss your teeth, you drink lots of water, hopefully. You make good food choices. Also, the thoughts that you're having are part of Yang Sheng, and just anything that really nourishes life for you. So Gua Sha has been around for thousands of years, just like Chinese medicine, and it's just another tool in the toolbox. So many of you know me as an acupuncturist, but really I'm a Chinese medicine practitioner, which means that I do Gua Sha and cupping. I do Tui Na, which is a therapeutic type of massage in Chinese medicine. I do practice herbal medicine. There's so many components of Chinese medicine beyond acupuncture. And what's important is for you to be able to have some of these tools of Chinese medicine at home that you could practice daily to keep you from having to come in so often, keep you healthy. Preventative medicine is what it's all about. So Gua Sha is a type of scraping, and it brings up what we call Sha. So it's like a color or a rash. So doing it on your face helps to bring a lot of microcirculation to the tissue, which helps to bring out a glow and helps with fine lines and helps your face age in a healthier way. So I do this daily. I haven't done it yet today, and I do it every morning when I wake up now. And I wake up with puffy eyes, and so you probably notice right now that I have puffy eyes, and I'm on camera with them. But I notice immediately after I do Gua Sha that the puffiness goes down, and it really does bring a glow about my face. So by doing Gua Sha daily, it can not only help benefit your skin, but it can help benefit your immune system, because Gua Sha helps the lymphatic system move more efficiently. It can help with headaches by removing any type of stagnation that you may have in the neck or the face and the head in the areas of the gallbladder channel. So you have channels running up and down your body. Gallbladder is a very major channel along the head, and a huge component of headaches. So doing daily Gua Sha could be beneficial for headaches, actually. Okay, so let's get started. I like to start with an oil, and I have marula oil right here. So I just put a little bit of oil on my face, and when I do so, just a drop, I put the oil on in a patting kind of fashion, as my beautiful friend Chris Gonzalez taught me, is to pat in the oil so that the skin can really soak it up rather than rubbing it on. So you're really pressing it in and allowing the skin to just drink it up. It's very, very dry here in San Diego in the winter. So my skin does just drink up this oil. Get on my eyelids. Okay, and then I like to put the rest of that oil on the tops of my hands that are also pretty dry. So then you take your Gua Sha tool, and look, my Gua Sha tool's broke. I'm a little embarrassed, but if I wait, I'll never get this video done. So this is a jade Gua Sha tool, and they break pretty easily. It fell on my bathroom floor, which is tiles. I will leave some information on places where you can get Gua Sha tools. There's plenty of people out there right now doing Gua Sha, facial Gua Sha videos on Instagram that you can watch, and this video is really for my people who have been asking me about it. So of course I'm going to stay away from that side of it, but anything with a smooth round edge, really. I absolutely love using Chinese soup spoons because when I'm working on people in the clinic, it really gets into these nooks and crannies. So even something like that, I used to use a baby food cap. But there are plenty of tools that you can get on Amazon and other sites, like I said, I'll mention later. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start at the back of the neck. And you're gonna go, so normally this one has a space here and another little section where I could go in between the spine. Obviously I can't do that, I'm only using this portion. But I'm gonna start at the back of the neck and I'm gonna go upward. And I'm gonna do 7 strokes. And I'm gonna continue along my neck, making my way to the front. 7 strokes at a time, kind of keeping it on the flatter end of the tool. And I'm pressing, but not too hard. And you notice I'm going in one direction. I'm not gonna go back and forth and scrape in that way. And it feels really good, actually. I don't want to bore you too much, but I'm gonna keep going. So, as we age, this area of our neck is an area that really becomes a concern for many women, including myself. By bringing circulation here, you're helping to strengthen and firm the skin. So I've gotten to that center, so what I want to do now is come around to the other side of my neck. And you can be as slow and as deliberate as you'd like with this. And it doesn't matter your age, you know, get started young, get started older, whatever. Just do it. It's great self-care. And as I said, it has many more benefits than just beauty. And coming to the front. And it's going to bring up a little bit of a pink color. I don't know if you could see it. So then I'm going to come along my chin line. And the other side. And then I like to make my way down the nasolabial grooves. I'm going a little faster than I normally would. I come along the lips as we get those lines there. And then I'm going to come up and under the cheekbone. Doing too hard of a press, especially in this area. The area under the eye is very sensitive tissue. It's very thin. You want to be gentle with it. really light. I usually give this one a good 12 to 13 or 14 strokes. And then I like to come into the inner eyelid. Sometimes I'll just target my eyes and the nasolabial groove and the cheeks and not do the neck if I don't have a lot of time. Then you get these nice little lines here, and I like to kind of get really into those ones. And then I'll move along the forehead. And I don't know if you could see a difference between the right and the left right now, but normally I do. I can't see that well outside. Okay, so we're gonna go over to the other side now, coming down to the nasolabial groove. The lips. Under the cheekbone. Of course, you know, beauty. Skin health comes from the inside. So make sure you're drinking plenty of water, especially in these dry winter months. Getting your good omegas in, eating fatty fish, coconut oil, avocados. I drink a marine collagen daily. Marine collagen is also really great for your hair, your nails, your joints. Okay, so after I'm done with that, I kind of just go through and pat my skin again, and then I like to take a facial mist of some sort or a toner. I've got a rose witch hazel water right now, and then I give myself a few squirts, get my neck, and voila, I'm ready for the day. So I'd like you to try this, and I invite you to do a 30-day challenge with me. So let's do Gua Sha on our face every day. It doesn't have to take that long. It takes me sometimes a few minutes in the morning. I brush my teeth, I put my oil on, and I do my Gua Sha, like I said, especially under the eyes. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any further questions about Gua Sha, let me know.